Former House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez has apologized for urging the armed forces to withdraw their support for President Bongbong Marcos. The Davao del Norte congressman denied being seditious. He said there has been growing dissatisfaction in the AFP, which is why he was asking them to peacefully withdraw their support. Nevertheless, Alvarez apologized, saying he was carried away by his emotions. The AFP is now looking into rules that could apply for him as a Philippine Marine reservist.
Sa reservist po, meron tayong mga tinatawag na delisting. And it also happens pag marami na tayong ginagawa ngayon sa reserve force who are on breach of discipline that they have not met the following standards that the AFP requires.
Ayun, at least nag-apologize na siya kasi sinabi nga niya DOJ Secretary Remulla, medyo kumbaga maging mahinahon tayo at check natin yung ano natin, pinaalalahanan siya yung dapat maging ugali ng isang mambabatas, 'di ba?
Very flawed yung reasoning niya na madaming lumalaki na dissatisfaction sa AFP. So he's asking them to withdraw. Baliktad, if there's dissatisfaction, then you ask, please support the President and the Constitution, 'di ba? As long as within the bounds of the Constitution naman, you want to air your grievances, take it to the proper authorities. Hindi naman yung ilalabas mo sa TV o sa rally, withdraw kayo ng support.
I understand, may free speech, etc. Kaya lang yun nga kasi merong mga ethical standards, di ba, ang mga mambabatas na dapat nila i-uphold.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, they were saying that, could you imagine if a politician tried to do this ng panahon ni PRRD? Ano yung response ng government noon? Diba? Mabait daw tong admin eh.
But at least he apologized already.
He apologized.
And
nadala
I don't
lang
know.
daw siya, nadala.
Pero kung di natin alam, di natin mapipigilan yung iba kung sila ay magsasampa ng mga kung ano bang mga reklamo. Pero let's see, 'di ba? At kasi ongoing pa din yung mga yung punot dulo ng mga pre-rally diyan, 'di ba? Ongoing din yung suspension kay governor doon sa Davao, 'di ba? Yung mga alitan between that governor and of course si Lagdameo. Yung mga gano'n, yung mga usapin, political rivalry. So yan yung mga dapat natin kumbaga pagtuunan ng pansin, marami kasing mga istorya.
Alam ko yung nasa bola na ng DILG yung kay governor yung to see kung they'll remove him from office or
kasi ayaw niya pang di ba? Ayaw niya pang bumaba talaga.
Issue kasi yung kotse, di ba? Yung car na recall niya.